Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to solve Windows 11 lagging problem. So as I am on my Windows 10, the problem or the fix I'm going to show you is for both the operating systems in Windows 11 and 12, 11, 10 and 11. So let's head over to the settings option right here. Once you're in your settings, you have to go to privacy section, privacy and security for Windows 11. And all you need to do is just go to general right here on the left. And in here, make sure everything is turned off, like the app ID, let the websites provide locally relevant content by accessing my language. Make sure you turn off everything in here. So show me the suggested content in the settings app. Make sure everything is turned off. So once it is done, disable all the permissions, then go to speech. And here in the online speech recognition section, make sure it is turned off too. Make sure to disable it and then go to inking and typing personalization. And here in this section, you have to disable it too. You can also view your own personal dictionary. And make sure to clear this out. And once it is done, go to diagnostics and feedbacks. And in here, make sure you set it to optional diagnostic data. And here, turn this off, like this one, improve inking and typing, tailored experience. Make sure you disable this. And you can also change the Windows feedback ask. You can do it automatically or always once in a day, or you can change it up and can also reset it by deleting the diagnostic data. By just tap on delete and it will be deleted. So we have to just disable everything in here. And once you are done, go to activity history. And in here you will find your activity history. And you have to clear your activity history by clicking this clear option right here. And once you are done with this, you have to go to this app permissions section, and in here you will find the location section. Go to locations and make sure you turn it off. So as you can see, I have turned off my location for all these apps other than Skype. So you have to just turn off or disable everything in here. And you can also clear your location history in here. Once it is done, make sure your allow iOS to access the location is turned off too. So then you have to just go to this camera section, your microphone section, your voice activation, your notification. Each and every part of this area must be disabled. So once you disable them, all you need to do is just to search for personalization. So as you can see, so in my settings, the personalization is not available. So in Windows 11, you will find that. What I have to do is just to go to my desktop and right click on my mouse. And here I can see the personalized option in here. So here you will find in Windows 11 an option of colors. So head over there. So in the color section, make sure the transparency effect is turned off. So once you turn it off, you can change your accent color according to your need. And then all of these are disabled. When all of these are disabled, you have to just restart your PC and this lagging problem might get solved. Hope this video will help you out and see you in the next video.